In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a gift card product in your commerce dashboard. To get started, open Chrome and sign in to your store's admin area. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the commerce section and then open products. This is where you manage the items available in your store, including digital products like gift cards. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section before continuing, because this helps avoid editing the wrong type of item. Next, click Add Product. You'll be shown a list of product types, and from those options, choose Gift Card. Selecting the correct product type is important because gift cards usually come with special settings that standard physical or digital products do not have. This ensures customers can purchase them properly and that the system handles delivery and redemption as expected. After that, begin filling in the gift card details. Add the title of the gift card first, making it clear and easy for customers to understand. Then enter the descriptive text that explains what the gift card is, how it can be used, or any helpful notes the customer should know before purchasing. You'll also want to upload the display image or visual design for the gift card. Choose imagery that matches your brand and makes the product feel polished and professional, since this is often the first thing shoppers notice. Once the basic information is in place, define the gift card variants. This is where you set the purchase value options customers can choose from. For example, you may offer multiple price tiers, so buyers can select the amount that best fits their needs. Be sure these values are entered carefully, since they directly affect what the customer is charged and what the recipient receives. It's a good idea to review the full set of amounts before moving on so your options are complete and consistent. The next part is verifying your transactional email settings. Check the email routing, alert behavior, and related delivery rules tied to gift card purchases. This matters because gift cards often rely on email notifications for successful delivery. You want to make sure the right messages are being sent to the right recipients and that the overall setup matches your store's intended customer experience. When everything looks correct, click Save and Publish. This final step makes the gift card product live and available in your storefront. Before you leave the page, give everything one last review to confirm the title, description, image, variant values, and email settings are all accurate. That's it. Your gift card product is now created and published.